We at Galloo shred both ferrous and non-ferrous metals. Thanks to Spraystream and JetZone, our dust and blue smoke emissions have been eliminated, and our employee health and morale has improved. The shredding process at our facility creates lots of dust and high temperatures. The high temperatures resulted in blue smoke and hot materials being discharged at our facility. We installed a JetZone dust suppression system in our shredder approximately 1 year ago. The installation of the innovative JetZone injectors minimized the production of dust and high temperatures within the shredder. Because we sort the material by hand, with gloves of course, we found we're more efficient and productive when less dust and heat is present. The JetZone system can be operated using water only or a combination of water and a dust binding agent. We operate the system with water only when the humidity is higher and only use the dust binding agent when it's extremely dry.
Het voornaamste verschil is de stofontwikkeling die beter aan het materiaal en de hele cyclus eigenlijk kan doorlopen zonder eigenlijk stof eigenlijk eraf te nemen.
We found that by constantly injecting mist into the shredder, the development of high temperatures is greatly reduced, and there's less chance for fire or explosions. The JetZone is very easy to operate because a central control panel is installed at the shredder operator station. I'd refuse to work without the JetZone because our health and the environment are at risk without it.